Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for April. And this is the pole cam. This is a great event. It's always a good event. Lots of different cars come out every month. Anyway, so we took a lot of video, lots of pictures. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Gonna get all them detail products and stuff on the shelves and everything. Actually, I got a call today. He washed it yesterday. Did you? Yeah. He washed it? No, Chris. I saw people being sending me posts about her hair and shit. Well, she changed her name. Follow me if I see you with some SEO advice now, but obviously you get mad that my handout was good. Tia knows me from so I work for her dad. That's how great about it. Oh yeah. Yeah, they can do that. I might get a pro truck for that. I want to see 7 bad. Yeah, I don't like the C8s. This guy works at hey, remember that dude we saw at Texas Roadhouse the other day? He said he bought a C8. I said bullshit. So I ain't seen no C8 in the parking lot. He said, no, I bought a C8. I'm like, bullshit. You're still driving a V6 Cadillac that's fucking leaking oil like a motherfucker. That had the C8 record. I drove to the galley a few times. Well, was it like last year? Yeah. Oh, yeah. When I first got there. Down there after this is after it all happened. There was Porsches, McLarens, freaking Lamborghinis. Is it always Okay, that's the best. Nobody asked me about it. That's the first I heard of.
I think the Everglades are in their head, and I also think that their game is so much more solid than ours. Oh, no question about that. And I also
Week after week after week, he's on the scratch list. I'm like, okay.
he makes bad plays. I don't know. I know you guys are fans. I see it every game that I every game. You actually sit right behind me. Are you right over my right shoulder? I can't say I'm not disabled. I am disabled. I'm just not in a wheelchair or something like that. It is what it is.
She doesn't really need to see this thing. I can't fit in between what you see.
Right. No, none of us. You know, and it'll keep on, you know, Richard comes over, he'll stand in the chair. Dude, come in. He's a great guy. He and his wife, they're wonderful people. You know, they're in their 80s. They love hockey. You know, so, as they used to. I sat at 104 for the season, and they were down in front of me 3 or 4 rows. Actually, right in front of Jana. You know Jana? So they sat right in front of Jana for a whole season. And we always chit-chatted. And then we both moved over to 103. I moved to the back row, and they moved he had to go have surgery, so he had to go up top. Walk. With a cane, well, a walker, and then an e-bike, and then a cane.
All right, everybody. That's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for April. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please consider giving us a like, a subscribe, a comment, and a share. Share it around to all your car people or non-car people. We don't discriminate. And if you could, drop us a subscribe. Subscribe if you can, because it helps out the channel and helps us grow. And we're trying to grow the channel as much as possible and get monetized. So, like I always say, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.